Hi everyone! Today we are diving into the world of microcontrollers with the STM32F072RB Nucleo Board on STM32Cube IDE. Before all that, we are going to describe a little bit about this dev board. STM32 microcontrollers are a family of ARM-based 32-bit microcontrollers manufactured by STMicroelectronics. Nucleo Board are a development platform designed by STMicroelectronics for prototyping and evaluation of STM32 microcontrollers. They come with a range of features. As you can see, they have several types, including 32-pin MCU, 64-pin MCU, and 144-pin MCU. And this is our Nucleo Board STM32F072RB. The Nucleo Board comes with a range of features, including onboard sensors, connectivity options, and expansion headers. STM32 microcontrollers are classified based on their service, families, and variants. As you can see in this table, this is the best guide to choose STM32 IC type solution. If you want to create a project relating with ultra power, I highly prefer to choose STM32L series. Each IC type offers a unique set of features and peripherals tailored to specific use case. Why choose Nucleo STM32F072RB over Arduino Uno or Nano? Why? Arduino is a popular choice for beginners due to its simplicity and vast community support. STM32F072RB offers several advantages, including performance, peripherals, and scalability. As you can see, we compare between Nucleo Board and Arduino Uno R380 And in conclusion, STM32F072RB has a lot of advantages than Arduino Uno. We will setting up STM32Cube IDE and implementation blinking projects on the Nucleo STM32F072RB board. First of all, we have to download STM32Cube IDE on the link STMicroelectronics. Please choose the installation type to support your OS computer. But now, I will use this version. After that, install the STM32Cube IDE with same procedure in this demo. Wait a moment, it will be time consuming. Next, open the STM32Cube IDE and choose the workplace file location. This is an overview UI STM32Cube IDE, and then click File, New, and New Projects. Now, you have to click the board selector to choose your type of Nucleo board, and then type the commercial part number or the STM32 Nucleo board type. As you can see, this is our Nucleo board type. After that, you have to fill the project name and configure the options. I highly recommend to configure same like us because it will be easy to use for beginner. As I mentioned before, STM32Cube IDE has a lot of advantages. Now, you can see the STM32Cube IDE can show, pin out, and configuration our Nucleo board. If you want to write the code, please click Project and Build Out. Open the core file and src. As you can see, you can find the main.c program. After that, you have to find the int main function. It's similar with void setup in Arduino. On that function, it has a lot of setup hole or setup functions such as hole init, system clock config, mx GPIO init, mx user uart. After that, we find the while loop or while true. You can write some code there. Now, we write some code about how GPIO toggle pin. It is the Github write similar with in Arduino, but in toggle. And this is our pin IO LD2 green LED OPA5. The syntax is quite similar with Arduino. You can see in the screen. And after that, we attach and delay code in 100 milliseconds. Last but not least, we can compile our code into run button. After that, you can choose run button or debug as application STM32. After you click debug as application, set the default edit configuration and wait a moment. Confirm perfectly switch and then download verified successfully. Don't forget to check your port STM32 Nucleo board. After that, you can click resume button. Finally, this is a blinking with STM32 F0 series Nucleo board.